back in virtual land for this one. Community posts. In the last 24 hours, YouTube announced community posts are rolling out to more people. Now, that caused some confusion for two reasons. The first reason, and this is a simple one, is the fact that people are saying, well, haven't community posts already rolled out to everybody? And technically, you are correct. The thing that has changed is the fact that YouTube have actually lowered the requirements for community posts yet again. Remember back in the day, you needed 1,000 subscribers, then it was 500 subscribers, and then it was all, oh, you just need to have advanced features. Now you don't even need advanced features. So all you need is, now, from my understanding, because it was a little bit confusing to me as well when I was watching Creator Insider this morning and reading the announcement on the Team YouTube from Twitter. Even Neil Mohan mentioned it in his Twitter. My understanding from talking to a few people, talking to the creator liaison, Renee, how you going? It appears to be that they've lowered it, so all you need to have is a verified channel, aka intermediate features. So if you ever get removed from advanced features, you will not lose your community post. So that is the change. So there's going to be a bunch of channels who don't have advanced features that will now have access to community posts. Now, nothing has changed with community posts, all the same features. There's not a revamp, it's not a relaunch or anything else. So there was some confusion there. So I thought I'd jump on and clarify all about the community post update. Now, what I say to any creator, whether you're a small creator or a large creator, do not sleep on community posts. They help keep your channel front and center in between your uploads. The best post to do, quiz posts, image polls, regular polls are the primary ones you should be focusing on. You can throw in some text and some information updates, of course, along the way. Images. Now with images, you can also add stickers and things now, so it can make them look even cooler. And, drop the occasional post where you actually share a video or somebody else's video in your community posts. So get posting, post regularly. My two tips for posting: number one, use it. Number two, use it regularly. Okay, so post maybe no more than once a day, but post definitely regularly, at least a couple of times, 3 times a week minimum. Even I sometimes don't even keep it up that often, but yeah, keep some rotation. Make a list of polls that you can run, some quizzes that you can drop. All that and more. Keep your community posts rolling out to your subscribers, to your viewers, and for people who have never discovered your channel before. They might even see that your community post in their post feed in their homepage. Get posting. This is Doug. I'll catch you later.